YouTube. This is Farmall 51 here. Alright, got a, I believe it's a 54 Super M. Can't remember, I'll have to ask him again, but it's supposed to be a 54 Super M. Got a friend, Joey, and his dad, Wade, restored it. And brand new shoes all the way around. And they're Earth Pro or Galaxy or something, I think, who makes them anyway, but they're nice tires. I do like them. They're on the narrower tire, it seems, but to me that's fine. Some people feel like they have to put big old fat tires on there for some reason, but anyway, got all the live hydraulics here, as you can see. Very nice restoration. Super M. Correct Farmall license plate. A lot of people, there's a whole thing on these grills here with the ones that are set up for cultivators. Some don't have it, some have two. Just some have one over here. It's just the way they're, that's a whole nother deal though. But anyway, say a 1954 Super M. Brand new stainless. International muffler. I say the video here don't do it too good of justice, but it is better looking in person. Like I say, if you're at the North Carolina State Fair, come out and see us and take a look at this tractor here, and there'll be plenty more good looking Farmall tractors out here. So, but like I say, great, excellent paint job. All the correct gauges, serial plate, lights, and all. So it's a nice, nice all-around Super M. All right, thanks for watching.